My name's Joe Leanwall. I'm the Senior Regional Manager for Magni Telehandlers, based out of Kenilworth, New Jersey, which is our U.S. headquarters. We're here at the Utility Expo in Louisville, Kentucky, and we're here representing our full line of fixed boom, heavy lift, and rotating telehandler forklifts. We have ranges that go from 57 feet all the way up to 167 feet high, and they're rotating telehandler forklifts. Over 100 different attachments that you can quickly change from being a forklift to a rough terrain crane to an aerial work platform. It's not a crane, but sometimes there's places that cranes can't get to. Our machines are all roughly around 8'2" wide. We're able to get these machines into tighter places than typical bigger cranes get into, be it power plants or water treatment plants. A lot of these facilities have very tight, narrow spaces that you need to get through, and I know that there's times that we've been able to get these machines in where no other machine would go. We're very proud of our cab design. It's the roomiest cab that's out there. It has everything that today's operators demand. It's going to be fully pressurized cab with heat, AC, Bluetooth, charging ports, everything you could possibly imagine. Looking at like the curved design of our cab and the full visibility that we have, you can see full floor to ceiling visibility, so you've got great safety benefits. This particular machine and this cab is a fixed machine, but our newer models now are actually coming with an air cushion ride seat, also a tilting seat. We do also offer a tilting cab option that could be ordered. We also have like an elevating and tilting cab option, so the whole cab can actually be lifted up and can also tilt back as well. So the special features of the machine, if you can see that the machine is set up on outriggers, they're road ready also, so you can operate on tires, so you can actually drive them over the road. They're all equipped with wipers, all of the lights that you need, blinkers, 3 different steering modes of 2-wheel, 4-wheel, and crab steering. Also, we have our patented outrigger system, so you can be set up in any configuration. Your outriggers can be set up at 20%, 65, 90, 100. The Magni machine knows where your outriggers are and gives you the best possible load chart based on that configuration. Once you are set up on outriggers like this, you can now switch also to wireless radio remote control, so your operator can get out of the cab. So now you have one person that potentially could be doing the job of 2 or 3 on the job site. With the remote control, from a safety perspective, it also takes the human error element out of it. So your coordination between the operator and the signal person, now that's just one person. So the operator can be on the ground, either doing their own rigging, or they can be wherever they're landing materials and bringing material to themselves and creating a much safer and efficient work operation. All of our machines are equipped with a load moment indicator. So what that means is the machine is constantly figuring out and kind of recognizing where the weight is within the safety envelope of the machine. It's going to give warnings to let you know you're getting close to your limits when you reach your limit. It's not going to allow you to go beyond that point. The machine's going to lock you out. It is designed to make it so, technically speaking, it'll prevent the operator from doing anything and putting them in an unsafe situation. Inside in the screen, you can customize the hydraulic flow and functions. You can set height limits, so by setting a height limit, you can either be overhead obstructions or power lines in the utility space. You're able to stay the safe distance away and basically set it so the machine will never go near that spot. You can also set rotation limits, so in the utility space you're not rotating, in tight quarters and so forth within power plants and everything. So it's designed to be highly efficient and safety. It's the safest machine, I would say, in its class. We'd put it up against just about any machine that's out there. They're incredibly easy to operate. The operating system that we have is proprietary to Magni. It's highly intuitive. All of our attachments have radio frequency identification tags technology. So there's affectionately called a hockey puck that's on every attachment. That's the brains of the attachment itself. On the end of the boom tip is a reader that will read that tag. So when you curl into our attachments, just like you would like a skid steer or an excavator bucket, it reads it. A picture will pop up inside the screen. As long as it's the actual attachment that you want, you accept it. The load chart and all the parameters automatically change to that attachment. So no more flip charts. We've eliminated the flip charts. So once you're set up on outriggers like the machine is now, you're able to switch to wireless radio remote control. All of our attachments could be operated by the wireless radio remote control. The joysticks that are on here are going to mirror the joysticks that are inside the cab. There's a battery on the back, and there's also a spare battery that's inside the cab. So you have that also constantly on a trickle charge, so you always have a charged battery when you need it. It is a married set between this remote and the receiver within the machine, so this way there's no interference. So you can be running multiple machines on the job sites and not interfere with each other. We've discussed our rotating line of telehandlers. We're also showcasing our high-capacity heavy lift telehandlers. These machines start at 22,000 pounds, and we go all the way up to 110,000 pound capacity. Magni manufactures the heaviest lifting telehandlers in the world. All the machines are equipped with a black box also, so whenever you touch that key, it records all the data, and the machine's going to know, did the machine stop you where you were supposed to? How much weight did you have? How high? How far out you were? All that information is going to be recorded in the black box. With Magni, we've completely changed the way people do construction. It's the type of machine that's a game changer. Ricardo Magni's thought was, we're going to come out with telehandler forklifts that are going to be cutting edge, but we're not going to sacrifice doing it the Magni way, which is the safest way.